Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be showing you how to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader, the popular PDF viewer, on your Windows 10 computer. So, let's dive right in. The first step is to open your web browser. You can use Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or any other browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, head to the address bar and type in Adobe Acrobat Reader download, then hit enter. Now, you will see multiple results. In the results, click on the official link you see. It might be first or second link. Now, you'll be directed to the official Adobe Acrobat Reader download page. Look for the download button and give it a click. Once you've clicked on the download button, your download will automatically start. Keep an eye on your browser, as you may see a notification indicating the download progress. Now, on the top right corner of your browser screen, you'll see a 3-dot icon. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the Downloads option and click on it. Here, you'll find your downloaded file. Click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions and please be patient as the installation may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, click on Finish to run the application. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader on your Windows 10 computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more useful videos, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.